kindergartners, I am noticing how well you are counting and showing your work. Today in Story Problem, you're going to learn about my sister Anika. Her name is Anika. Her name is? Yes, Anika. And something I'm going to share with you right now is that she loves apples. If you love apples, give me a silent me too. Remember this symbol? And put it down. I know as I'm going to be reading, your materials are already ready to go. That means your Unifix cubes are next to you, your pencil, and your notebook is right next to you. Give me a thumbs up if it's next to you. And your back is straight, your hands are folded, and your eyes are looking, and your ears are listening. I know it's a lot, but right now, you look like first graders, and I know you can do it. So let's get our attention to the story problem. I'm going to read it 3 times. How many times? Yes. And you are going to focus and we're going to talk about what the story problem is. Anika had 8 apples. Then she got 3 more of them. How many apples does she have now? Anika had 8 apples. Then she got 3 more of them. How many apples does she have now? Anika had 8 apples. Then she got 3 more of them. How many apples does she have now? Now we know that after I read it 3 times, you say it in your turtle shell or to somebody next to you. Please go ahead and say this story. Wow, let's bring it, bring it. I noticed friends are getting so good at retelling the story without looking at the words. That means you're really thinking about the story when I'm reading it out to you. So friends, something I want us to start focusing on is the words in the story problem. Anika had 8 apples, then she got 3 more. I'm gonna go ahead and box this word more. And I want us to think about it. When you have something and you get more of it, does your number get bigger or smaller? When you have something and then you get more of it, does the number get bigger or smaller? That's a juicy question. Say, oh, Miss Faith, that's juicy. But guess what? Our brains are so big that we can get the answer. So let's go ahead and look at me do something. So let's think about the problem. Anika has 8 apples. Let's pretend like I have 8 apples in my hands. Right? Then she gets 3 more of them. So do we think she has more or less than 8 apples? Right now is the first day I introduce this type of question, but you're going to hear so much more of it because I want us to really, really think about the story problem. So now that we're focusing on the word more and I'm talking about it, I know that my number is going to be bigger than the numbers I see here, which are 8 and 3, because Anika got more apples. So, as great mathematicians, I know we're going to use 2 strategies. We're going to use, yes. So the first strategy that we're going to use is with our Unifix cubes. I know I'm going to go ahead and get them ready. First, I'm going to read again. Anika had 8 apples. Say pause. Yeah, we're going to pause because we got new information. And information that we can show with our cubes. So it says she has 8 apples. How many cubes do you think I need to put on the paper? Yes, 8. Please go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, louder. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I put 8 cubes because at first Anika had 8 apples. Then she got 3 more. So since she got 3 more, I know that I need to put more on the paper. Let's count 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. So again, focusing on the more, now let's look She had 8 apples at first, now she has 3 more. So I know that we need to count them all together. We need to count them all together. We need to count them all together. I know you're super excited to help me count. Let's go ahead and get our hot finger ready. Say, hot finger, I'm ready. Yes, let's go ahead and tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, Anika has how many apples? Yes, 11. You can go ahead and kiss your brain. This is how you kiss your brain. Watch me first. You're kissing your brain because you did such hard work right now and you're super smart. So go ahead. When I say kiss your brain, you go like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kiss your brain. Great job. Now let's move on to our second strategy. I'm going to draw a neat line underneath here and move on to our second strategy where we use our pencil and paper. Miss Faith is going to use a marker. So I know that when we are doing our second strategy, we're drawing circles. Let's quickly draw a circle in the air together. Get your pointer finger ready. Point to me and draw a circle. 1, 2, 3, circle. We are going to try our best to draw some neat circles over here. So when we show our work, people are like, oh, look at this neat mathematician. Let's go ahead and get started. Anika had 8 apples. Count the 8 circles with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's read on to see if we need to add anything more. Then she got 3 more of them. So I know since she got 3 more, I need to put 3 more on the paper. Let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to read the question to see what I need to do with all these circles. How many apples does she have now? So they want to know how many apples does she have now. At first she had 8, then 3. And I know that she got 3 more. I need to count all of them together. Can you help me count all of them together? Thank you. Go ahead and get your half finger and point to the first circle and start to count. Remember, 1 tap per circle. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And as a mathematician, I'm going to write my answer and I'm going to circle it. So friends, that was so incredible. And today we focus on some action words that today I'm going to teach you a new chair. Are you excited? Oh, so let's go ahead and get started. So I know that we were learning the roller coaster chair, which goes like, woo, 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 ah. Today I have the Hulk chair. Hulk is a superhero, so if you like the Hulk, then you will like this chair. So it goes like this. You are incredible like the Hulk. Wasn't that fun? So let's do that together. Start with, you are, your turn, incredible like the Hulk. Whoa, that was fun. Let's do it one more time. Ready? You are incredible like the Hulk. Oh, that was so much fun. I'm so excited to share all these cheers with you because we have to celebrate all our hard work. Let's go ahead and get to the question that you are going to do on your own and going to show your work. So remember, I'm going to read it 3 times and then you are going to get to work using your tools, which are your cubes, and your paper and your pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and start reading. Sarah, she is Anika's best friend, my sister's best friend. So let's read about her. And she loves oranges. Sarah had 5 oranges. Then she got 6 more. How many oranges does she have now? Sarah had 5 oranges. you have the tools to make sure that you do everything neatly and correctly. I cannot wait to see your work tonight. Have a wonderful day.